Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to 5 Minute Techie AV. Let's begin with another episode on smartphone offers and other mobile offers. So we all know that we were having a pandemic and the second wave of the pandemic had come in. So please keep washing your hands and stay safe and stay healthy. And due to this we were having smartphone sales were restricted, and many of the places the delivery were not there. So these e-commerce companies have started beginning with another set of sale because of this opening of lockdowns. So every places the lockdown is getting opened, so these smartphone companies and other things have started begin with the sale. So let's talk about some of the good offers and deals that you can grab now, and which will be helpful for you for buying a smartphone if you were having a issue with your smartphone until now in the lockdown period, or your smartphone was getting older. So you can buy some of the good deals as of now. So let's begin with the offers from both Amazon and Flipkart. So if you are buying from Amazon, the mobile saving days will be there, which will be available till 16th of June. And in this offer we will be having extra discount on HDFC card. So if you are having an HDFC credit card, you would get a maximum discount of 750 rupees on purchase of above 7,000. And same thing goes for SBI card on the Flipkart website. So let's begin with the smartphone offers under 10k. So the best smartphone under 10k I would say would be Narzo 30A. To the specs that you are getting, it starts at 7,999 with the 32GB variant and 8,999 with the 64GB variant. So you can choose based on your requirement, but I would prefer, if you are having a base variant in your mind, you can go for the 7,999 variant. And the next one would be Redmi 9 Power, which is nothing but Poco M3. So if you like the design of Poco M3, go with that. Otherwise Redmi 9 Power is having a better camera, so you can decide both based on both of them. Then you have next one as Galaxy F12, which is available only on Flipkart, and it is also 9,999 and it has a 90Hz display. It is one of the good budget smartphones of Samsung under 10k. So if you're looking at 10k and Samsung, you can go for that. The next smartphone would be from new brand called TechnoSpark 7T is the next phone that I would recommend, with a 6,000 mAh battery and a very good processor at 464GB variant at 7,999. You will be getting this at 7,999 only for today because of the launch, and then you are also having that HDFC offer, so you would get this phone at 7,100 net. If you are looking for something under 5k, this is the best deal you can get by pushing your budget little bit, because buying something for 5k and after 2 months going for another one, it's better to go with this by putting some extra money. The next one would be Micromax In1B. My recommendation for stock Android phone Micromax In1B would be more, but then it depends on your area. It's not available in my area. If it's available in your area, go with that instead of this one. Then you also have In1 that is there at 9,999. So if you are having a very tight budget of 10k and you are looking for stock Android, that is the best one you can get. The next one would be smartphones from 10 to 20k. So I would quickly go ahead with the smartphones. The first one would be Redmi Note 9, which is priced at 10,500. It is without the discount of the card. So if you have the card availability, you can get more discount on it. It is also available on both Flipkart and Amazon. You can choose it whichever website you want. It's one of the good phones under the 10k or sub 10k range. So next one would be Redmi Note 10. So it's recently launched in March, and it is AMOLED displays being given in that phone. So for 12,500, it's very good value for money deal. You can go ahead and buy that with a 64GB memory card to get 128GB memory, and it would be priced cheaper than the next variant. Please do not buy Redmi Note 10s. Please go for Redmi Note 10, because if you are buying Redmi Note 10s, put 1k extra and go for Redmi Note 10 Pro. You get more features. The next one would be Poco M3 Pro 5G. If you are looking for a 5G phone under 15k, so that would be the only phone you can go ahead with, which is the best phone. Don't go for Realme 8 5G. Don't go for Oppo A53 5G. So the next one would be Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G. So if you're looking at a 15k phone which is having a good specification and 5G, you can go for that. It comes with Dimensity 800U processor and with an LCD display, but with 120Hz, so it's pretty much apt for that price. So it's best deal for that price. If you are looking for a 5G phone under 15k, that is the best one. Next one would be Redmi Note 10 Pro. So with the AMOLED display in your mind, Redmi Note 10 Pro is the best phone you can get for 16,000. For some reason, it is not available on Amazon in my area. If you are looking at it and if you are getting it in another website like MI website, you can go for that. Please don't buy it except for MI website or Amazon, because it will be priced a little higher. The next phone would be for all the gamers under 20,000. So Poco X3 Pro is the next phone for the gamers. Then the next phone would be Realme X7 5G. So if you're looking at an AMOLED panel and a 5G processor under 20k, so that would be the best phone you can get. The next one would be iQOO Z3, the recent offering that is available at starting with 18,999, and you are getting an extra 1,000 off and plus 1,500 off on the card. So these were the phones that were there within 10 to 20k, and we have three more phones which are stock Android. So if you're looking for stock Android under 10 to 20k, so the best phone for value for money would be N-Note 1, which is priced at 10,999. And if you're looking for a Motorola phone and a stock Android with Moto features with a very good performance, you can go for G40 Fusion or G60 based on your requirement of the price. But if you see, G40 Fusion had a 500 rupees increase, so it's still value for money with respect to the features you get, but a price increase of these phones is not good to accept. So these were the phones from 10 to 20k range, up till 20k range. If you are looking for any of the phones that you wanted to buy, you can buy amongst these. Please do not go with the flagship phones, but if you still want to have a look at some of the flagship phones, I will link another video in the description for you to go ahead and check out the flagship range. Thank you for watching this video.